ऑफ सट्टा, गैम्बलिंग, पैसा डबल, 25 दिन में पैसा डबल, एंड इसमें कुछ नहीं रखा. इवन आवर फैमिली एंड रिलेटिव्स यूज्ड टू टेल अस कि इन सब में कुछ नहीं है, कोई पैसा नहीं बना सकता. इवन आवर चेयरमैन भोपाल ब्रांच अंशुल सर said कि there is only 5% probability of succeeding in stock market, and that is very true in today's era and overall stock market. So how come we overcome this, and why do people fail? Basically, we want to know that what are the mistakes others do that we cannot do, we will not do it in future. So why do people fail? Because we are having higher expectation. हम सब चाहते हैं 25 दिन में पैसा डबल हो जाए. कोई कंपाउंडिंग की पावर समझना नहीं चाहता. What is power of compounding? What is power of starting small and getting it big? सबको 25 दिन में पैसा डबल चाहिए. दूसरा, कोई प्रॉपर रिसर्च नहीं करता है क्या इन्वेस्टमेंट कर रहे हैं, क्यों कर रहे हैं, उन्हें कोई रीजन से मतलब नहीं है. They just want to buy shares whatever is suggested and by anyone. They don't even consider the intellect of that person. They just want to buy. The third point comes working on tips. As we all know, इंदौर, सूरत, गुजरात, इन सब में बहुत लोग बैठे हैं जो आपको फोन करके बताते हैं आप ये ले लीजिए, ये बढ़ जाएगा, ये गिर जाएगा. No proper diversification. We just put, there is a famous quote by Warren Buffett, don't put all your eggs in one basket. But we just simply ignore that. We all know that, but we simply ignore that. We put all our money in single stock, whether it's 10,000, 5,000, whatever it is. No risk management. We just don't want our risk. We risk whole our amount without putting stop loss. We just enter in trade. Stop loss is must in trading or either in investment. You must have seen recent examples of DHFL, Yes Bank, and all of this. They just went to zero. Yesterday only, NSE suspended. Stock markets में अब trading नहीं होगी DHFL में. So we must keep stop loss in our trading and investment both. Sixth one is letting emotions drive investing decision. हम लोग कोई भी शेयर से अटैच हो जाते हैं जो वो होना नहीं चाहिए. हम सबको इसमें स्टॉक मार्केट में एक शेयर से अटैच नहीं होना है. वी हैव टू राइड द ट्रेंड टिल द ट्रेंड बेंड्स. दिस इज व्हाट ट्रेंड फॉलोइंग एंड व्हाट स्टॉक मार्केट में कोई स्टॉक को कब तक रखना है. So now what are the success mantras in stock market? How do we succeed and how to avoid mistakes which we talked about in previous slide? It's all knowledge and knowledge. We have to acquire so much knowledge about the topic and we have to dig deep into our subject so that we will reduce our chances of getting stuck in the previous mistakes which we talked about. And there are three types of analysis for acquiring knowledge. There are three types of analysis in stock market. First one is fundamental analysis. As being a CA student, being a CA, we very much know what is fundamental analysis. Studying balance sheet, P&L, cash flow statements, annual report, management discussion and analysis, con-call reports. That's what we call fundamental analysis. And being a CA student, we are very much aware about that. Now comes second topic, which is technical analysis. What is technical analysis? How do we do that? We will discuss ahead in this session. And now third one comes is techno-fund analysis. As the name suggests, this is a mixture of fundamental plus technical. यहाँ पे हम balance sheet भी study करते हैं और technical से देखते हैं कब buy करना है. तो basically techno-funda means what to buy and when to buy. This is a combination of both fundamental and technical. And this analysis increases the probability of our success in stock market. Now we will begin our session on technical analysis. Now what it is, how market dynamics perform and all of that we are going to discuss in this. By now, special thanks to Jankriti, Shreyanshi and Ritik Goel for being so supportive in making this PPT and preparing for the session. Thank you so much. Now, what is technical analysis? What we do in technical analysis? Technical analysis is an attempt. Basically, technical analysis में हम करते क्या है, जो पुराना पीछे हुआ है, we are trying to predict the market movement as happened before. It works on demand supply. It happens because market psychology, human psychology अभी तक change नहीं हुई है. 100 साल पहले भी हम वही कर रहे थे, आज भी वही कर रहे हैं. तो जो गलती ऊपर करी है, किसी ने टॉप पे लिया है, नीचे बेचा है, तो that is all happening right now. So basically, we as a technical analyst, we used to predict market movements before it happens based on previous price movement. previous price movements. We look at price, volume. Basically, we combine. Technical analysis is all about trend lines, indicators, moving averages, and all price patterns predicting, so that it helps us to predict market movement, next market movement, whenever it's going to come. So what we do, there are many types of charts in market. How on what we are studying, right? Like candlesticks, bar chart, line chart, patterns. So this all various type of chartings are there, but we are today discussing about candlesticks, as I also personally in my trading used candlestick patterns only. Candlestick come from Japanese concept, and it is somewhat called Japanese candlesticks also. So now, what are the basic technical analysis tools which we are going to discuss? Dow theory, candlestick patterns, price patterns, trend lines, and indicators. These are the some basic technical analysis tools which will be helping us to predict market movements and to understand the whole market dynamics, how market works. So basically, what is Dow theory? Dow theory is market works in phases, like accumulation, distribution. These are two market phases which we have to look. After accumulation method, after accumulation completes, there is a price spurt where we technicians used to take entry in stock, but during the accumulation phase हमें पता नहीं चलता है क्या हो रहा है, कौन खरीद रहा है. बड़े प्लेयर्स प्राइस को सप्रेस रखते हैं, वहां पे वॉल्यूम्स वगैरह कुछ भी नहीं होता है. तो जब वहां एक्यूमुलेशन चल रहा होता है, वी एज अ रिटेलर हमें कुछ नहीं मालूम होता कि यहाँ क्या चल रहा है. बट एज अ टेक्नीशियन जब ये पहला यहाँ पे ये निकलता है बाहर, दिस इज वेयर टेक्नीशियंस यूज्ड टू टेक एंट्री एंड यहीं से सब कुछ डिसाइड होता है. एंड डाउ थ्योरी works as in the formation of higher high, higher low. Basically, we will see in charts what is higher high, higher low, and how to develop, draw trend lines. This is. And now to answer Aditya sir's question, which he put in very first, that why Nifty is trading at all-time high, why didn't it fall? So basically, Dow theory assumes that price discounts everything. Everything मतलब everything, कि जब जो भी हो रहा है, insider information भी है उसके पास, सब कुछ है, and market doesn't fall on same news second time, starting from Lehman crisis and Harshad Mehta scam, .com bubble, फिर ये जो भी आज तक फॉल है, ये सेकेंड टाइम कभी सेम रीजन पे नहीं गिरते. नहीं तो ये जब अंबानी इसका हुआ था, क्या नाम है, विजय माल्या, इन सब का तब भी मार्केट गिरना चाहिए था, लाइक हर्षद मेहता स्कैम, बट इट डजंट हैपन. And it always works like this. So कोरोना का जब मार्च 2020 में गिर चुका था, तो ये second time गिरना was very much probability, as everyone is waiting for the fall to accumulate the shares at their respective prices, but it will not come. And why second question he asked, that why stock falls after giving good result or rise after bad result. So it again depends on Dow theory, that price discounts everything. Price को पहले से मालूम होता है कि रिजल्ट खराब आएगा, तो पहले गिरा चुका होता है. Then we as retailers on news based trading, we try to short the market, and thereafter market spurts. So basically all depends on Dow theory. Now we are introducing to our concept candlestick charts. So what is candlestick? Candlestick derived the term candlestick charts is invented by Japan. And what is candle? Candle represent open, high, low, close. When these four combinations are there, a candle is formed. And when close is greater than open, the candle becomes green. And when the close is less than open, the candle becomes red. And the upper wick and lower wick you are seeing is high and low of the candle. So it depends on the basics of candlestick. We are going to discuss some candlestick patterns going forward. What are the most reliable patterns we will see in candlesticks? So candlestick pattern which we will discuss in coming slides are hammer, bullish engulfing, bearish engulfing, morning star, evening star, doji, inside bar, and this is called harami pattern also. Harami means pregnant women in Japan. 3 white knights and 3 black crows. So what is hammer? Hammer basically derived the name from the looking of that candle. See the candle, it looks like a hammer, but हम लोग ज्यादा नाम में नहीं जाना चाहते, क्योंकि नाम में कुछ रखा नहीं है. इसको अपन को समझना है कि व्हाट डज इट रिप्रेजेंट। तो इसमें होता क्या है, हैमर में अपनी ऊपर की साइड कोई विक नहीं होती है, मतलब बेसिकली जब बायर और सेलर यहाँ पे लड़ रहे होते हैं तो इट बेसिकली पुशेस द प्राइस अप so that we are seeing the lower shadow. So now that happens, there is no upper shadow, and when open is less than close it becomes red, and when close is more than open it becomes green. So it's a very strong candle, and the location of candle is very important to form. When the hammer is formed at the bottom of the trend, like you are seeing in this picture, when it is formed at the bottom of the downtrend, so it indicates the reversal. Now we have to take entry on the high of the candle to confirm that there is a reversal and market is going to move upwards from here. So this is what hammer does. Hammer is very powerful tool when it forms at top or at bottom. When it formed at top after a sustained uptrend, then it indicates a bearish reversal. Bearish reversal means then that the price will go down from here. Now second one is bullish engulfing. Bullish engulfing, as you can see in the picture, there is one red candle and the red candle is wholly covered by green candle. So this represents कि बायर अब बहुत स्ट्रांग हो गया है इसमें। जब उसने पूरी पिछला दिन था या वॉट एवर टाइम फ्रेम वी आर सेइंग 15 मिनट्स 10 मिनट्स 1 डे 1 वीक, तो उसने वो पूरे टाइम फ्रेम का पूरे उसको कवर कर लिया है। सो बायर्स आर वेरी स्ट्रांग इन बुलिश engulfing. This represents a very strong participant by buyers right now. Bears are losing their control, but again it depends where it is. It depends on where it is forming. Location of candle is very important here. Similarly, bearish engulfing is opposite of bullish engulfing. यहाँ पे bears control ले चुके हैं पूरा bulls से, क्योंकि जो पुराना पूरी candle थी उसको fully covered कर लेती है, including wicks, top and bottom wicks. Full body is covered by single bearish candle, so that is called bearish engulfing. So now morning star pattern. Morning star is a 3 candlestick pattern. Candlestick pattern are of 3 types: single candlestick pattern, 2 candlestick, and 3 candlestick. This morning star represents 3 candlestick pattern. Here 1 red candle is there and 2 green candles are there. When red candle is formed, the other one, the second candle which is forming, is a gap down candle, and it represents a doji. This candle is called doji. Doji means indecision. ना buyers को पता है क्या करना है, ना sellers को पता है. Now third candlestick which forms is a bullish candle. Full green candle with no wicks. थोड़ी बहुत wicks चलती है practical में, but as per theory यहाँ पे wicks नहीं होती. कोई भी ना upper shadow ना lower shadow. Wicks represent shadow, upper shadow and lower shadow. तो वहाँ पे वो कुछ नहीं होता. It represents now market is indicating signs of reversal. Whenever we spot at the downtrend, it indicates a bullish reversal from now. And similarly, evening star. Now evening star represents opposite of morning star. यहाँ पे bears अपना control अब छोड़, मतलब bulls अपना control छोड़ने वाले हैं. ऊपर indecision के बाद ये gap down से ये red candle खुलती है और उसके बाद यहाँ से bears अपना control लेना चाहते हैं. Again, location of candle is very important. Whenever it forms at the sustained uptrend, it indicates evening star indicates bearish reversal. Now doji. As I already told you in previous slide, doji is a indecision candle. यहाँ पे ना buyers को मालूम है कि क्या करना है, ना bears को मालूम है. It has very limited body. The difference between open and close is called body. So there is no body in candles in doji. Only shadows are there. That represents कि buyer ने ना ऊपर close होने दिया, ना buyers ने ना नीचे close होने दिया, ना bears ने उसे ऊपर close होने दिया. So it is an indecision candle. The next candle which forms after that is decisive enough कि कहाँ पे अब market को जाना है. Like you will see recent example in Nifty chart on Friday, it made a doji candle. It made a doji candle. Now we have to observe next market condition, next day कि where it is moving, where it is heading. क्योंकि अभी doji बन गया है, अब buyers और sellers दोनों अभी indecision में कि कहाँ लेके जाना है. So next days are very important for Nifty. On Friday session you can see in your charts also. So now Harami pattern. It is called inside bar. Inside bar मतलब जब एक पहला कैंडल बन जाता है पूरा, that is called mother candle. That is why Harami represents pregnant women in Japanese. So pregnant, this is the mother candle, the red candle which I am showing. and the small candle which is totally inside the mother candle is called मतलब बेसिकली बच्चा कैंडल है वो. तो उसके अंदर जब ये इनसाइड बाहर है तो बेसिकली बायर्स आर, अब एनी साइड जब ये ब्रेक होगा तो इट रिप्रेजेंट्स अ मार्केट मूवमेंट ऑन दैट साइड. यहाँ पे दोनों साइड ब्रेक हो सकता है. इट रिप्रेजेंट्स मतलब जैसे अगर रेड कैंडल है उसके बाद ग्रीन बनता है तो इट इज कॉल्ड बुलिश हरामी. बीयर्स को कंट्रोल लेने नहीं दिया है बायर्स ने अभी तक. एंड इसका एग्जांपल है अभी निफ्टी का थर्सडे वाली कैंडल. आफ्टर बिग फॉल ऑन 9th June, दैट इज वेडनेसडे, थर्सडे सेशन वाज एन इनसाइड डे. ना उसका पिछले दिन का हाई टूटा ना पिछले दिन का लो टूटा, सो दैट इज कॉल्ड इनसाइड कैंडल. The next candle is very important after that. Next, और अब कब तक ये इनसाइड बनता है ये अपन को मालूम नहीं होता है. whenever it is formed, कब तक बनता है ये अपन को देखना है. And we have to wait till it breaks either side, either low of the candle or either high of the mother candle. 3 white nights. Now 3 white nights are 3 continuous green candles, and every close is higher than the previous close. So it represents कि कितनी बुल्स में स्ट्रेंथ है. यहाँ पे लगातार 3 दिन अगर कोई पिछले हाई के ऊपर क्लोज करा रहा है तो बुल्स यहाँ पे पावर ले चुके हैं. अब ये इसके साथ इसके कंफर्मेशन अपन को यूज करने पड़ते हैं. एवरी टाइम इट विल नॉट वर्क. इट विल वर्क इन टैंडम विद other indicators which we will discuss about like RSI or volumes, but volumes are main here कि कैसे ये बुलिश कैंडल बनी है और हर हाई अगले के ऊपर हर क्लोज पिछली कैंडल के ऊपर क्लोज होता है. So this is what 3 white night means. Now 3 black crows is opposite of 3 white nights. यहाँ पे बियर्स लगातार 3 दिन को प्राइस नीचे लेके आते हैं कि पिछले क्लोज से नीचे क्लोज करवाते हैं उसको. नाउ इट इज ऑल्सो ये भी अपन को उससे कंफर्म करना है कि कितना वॉल्यूम्स के साथ उनने किया है. बेसिकली दीज पैटर्न्स डिपेंड्स, कैंडलस्टिक पैटर्न डिपेंड्स ऑन वॉल्यूम्स ऑल्सो. वी हैव टू कंफर्म एवरी कैंडलस्टिक पैटर्न विद वॉल्यूम एंड द लोकेशन ऑफ कैंडल इज मेन हियर.